today I will show you how to make this crazy flash transition. Yo, it's Povikas here, and welcome guys if you're new to the channel. My name is Povikas and I've been a video editor for over 7 years now, and I also run a video editing website called povikas.com where I have the best video editing presets for video editors just like yourself. And these presets are literally top tier drag and drop presets that you just take and drag in your After Effects timeline, and you will have absolutely crazy effects in just seconds. So if you want top tier effects in just a couple of seconds, I would definitely recommend to go and check out my povikas.com website, which will be linked in the description. But anyways, let's begin. Alright guys, so once you have your clips ready in After Effects, we can press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer, and here we can add the most important effect for this whole flash transition is going to be exposure. Now we need to place this adjustment layer where we want the transition to happen, so I want it to happen between these two clips, so we can just press Ctrl+Shift-D to cut, and let's go 1-2 frames forward and press Ctrl+Shift-D. A flash transition is a really short transition. And here we can go to exposure, and I like to make it to 3.5, and at the first frame we can keyframe it, and we can go 1 frame forward, and I like to make the exposure to 6.5. If your clips are a little too bright, you can make these values a bit lower, and if your clips are like super dark, you can make them higher. And now I also like to add an effect called Minimax, which is a really dope effect, and I like to make the radius from 5 to 10, so let's just make it to 5, but you can definitely make it higher and it will give off this look, which is actually really cool, but I like to keep it a bit minimum as 5. And now you will already have like a really simple flash transition, which works really well for like music videos or whatever you want, but we want to make this look really good. So that's why I'm going to add an effect from a Sapphire plugin, which is called S-Invert. I really like this effect, and what we can do is drop it on top of Minimax. And I like to go 1 frame forward, and I like to turn on this invert luma and invert chroma, and let's go back, and let's just uncheck this and uncheck this. And what this will pretty much do is just boom, and it will basically just give us like this inverted look with like this color. And now to sauce it up even more, let's add deep glow, either deep glow 2 or deep glow 1. You can also add normal glow, and this will look really cool as well. You don't gotta worry about this. And I like to make the exposure to 0 at the start, and let's keyframe it and go 1 frame forward, and here we can make it to 0.5. And here we pretty much have it. We have an insane flash transition, and if you want to make this look even more professional and just like really fit for music videos or really cool edits, I have a really nice solution for you. I have made a crazy impact presets pack which just lets you add insane chroma distortions and crazy shakes, and I will have it linked down below. But anyways, we can go to animation presets, user presets, impact presets, and I'm just going to press Ctrl+Y, and here I'm going to add one of my absolute favorite effects. It's going to be frame glitch chaos. All you have to do is just double press on it or drag and drop it, and boom, you will have it. Like, you can cut it up to how much you want. I mean, that is sick. Just look how crazy, like energetic that looks. I mean, it does give a really crazy flash. And yeah, you can, for example, copy this and just spam it almost, like bring it right here. Yeah, let's just bring it right here. That is crazy. So you can have it like that, and like that. It just looks like a crazy flash. Like, it works fantastically well. And here, we can bring another flash, so we can press Ctrl+D, to duplicate and bring this flash right here. And let's press Ctrl+Y again. And I'm going to add something different a bit. I think green distortion shake works perfectly well for music videos. So, oh yeah, that is looking really good, like boom and boom. Wow, okay, yeah, that's amazing. Okay, and we can take the flash transition again and just press Ctrl+D. I mean, you can really just have fun with it like this. And you can press Ctrl+Y again. I'm actually gonna do an insane one. I'm gonna do insane chroma distortion on this one. So yeah, it does like a crazy, I mean, by the name you can probably guess it's literally insane, this one. Alright guys, so yeah, I don't know. I mean, you can see this looks absolutely insane. I don't even know how to, I mean, I think it just explains for itself. I mean, this is just mad. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, just a couple of presets added and the flash transition, and boom, you just have this. And guys, as a thank you for watching these tutorials and just supporting the channel, I gotta give you a $5 discount code for the impact presets pack, which is going to be code Povikas. If you use code Povikas, you will save $5 off on the impact presets pack. But anyways guys, that's about it for the video. If you have any questions, then please let me know. But anyways, it was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.